Hi guys, my name is Saoirse. Today I'm going to be showing you three skills on the beam that are likely to be in your routine. So the first skill is a handstand. In the last video that I posted was a bridge and bridge kickover. Make sure you check that one out. But also I was talking about having your hands on the beam like this. It's the same thing with your handstand because it keeps your balance. So you're going to start with a strong set. And you're going to kick your leg, not too hard that you flip over, just so that you're able to get up. So things to think about is that you have a strong setting, you're kicking up, and then you're trying to get your legs like this. You're not like leaving your leg hanging here. And point your toes and squeeze your legs and your knees. So some things that you can practice doing it is going like this, and then needle kicking, like this, but like snappy. And squeeze your arms by your ears and straighten your elbows up. So like this. And then a strong landing. The second skill is a cartwheel. So to do your cartwheel, same thing, strong set, but your hands are going to be different. They're going to, just like a normal cartwheel on the floor, where your hands are like this. And you're going to like have your fingers over. You're going to have the tip of your fingers just over the beam. So strong set, hands like this. And then when you're putting your feet down, when I was learning to do my cartwheel on the beam, my coach helped me by saying, look, like when you're like this, so you're like this, look where you're about to put your foot down that goes down first. Because then it's a lot easier to put down your second foot because it's just following behind it. If you're just like this and you're like cartwheel, it's really hard. But if you cartwheel and you look where you put your foot, it's a lot easier. Wait, I'm just going to do the cartwheel to show you. And I would say now when I'm talking about putting your feet down. Now, yeah, but that's the cartwheel. And the last one, I think it's the hardest, is a full turn. It's the same thing as a full turn on the ground, like this, like that. So, same thing as every other skill, you want to have a strong setting. It's like this. Make sure you're in the middle of the beam so that if you end up facing that way, then you can actually step and you're not falling off the edge of the beam. So, strong setting. And the same thing as the prep that I did for the handstand. You can go like this. It's like passe. You go like this, and then you can snap up and then end. That's like the movement of the turn. Do that a couple of times. Okay, and if you want to start with, if you don't want to start with full turn, start with a half turn like this. Whoop. Nope. Make sure you're pulling up tall. Think that there's a string from the top of your head that's pulling you up. Your half turn. And then your full turn. Same thing with the string. It's just your full turning and end up facing the same way you started. These are the three skills that I wanted to show you guys. Make sure to check out my other videos. Make sure you watch this video over and over again so that you can practice it. Hope I see you guys next time. Bye.